No,
it's amazing that.
Well, give him chance, give him chance. Were you impressed with him today, Shaka?
Yes, I was. Listen, I thought Leicester started the game really well, but invariably when you're in the position that they're in and you know the end of the season is coming soon, you kind of fade as the game goes on. And credit to Spurs, who I thought recognized that and took full advantage of it and got a couple of great goals. Again, the performance of Heung-Min Son, his importance as this team is simply phenomenal. It really is. But I thought Spurs, as I say, just kind of rode out what was a good start by Leicester, and then once it did, they were easily the better of the two teams and deserving of the 3 points.
Frank, do you agree with Shaka?
Yeah, I do. It's quite amazing what I see. I mean, except the first half an hour, but I think the team of Spurs are quite efficient today, and I see the talent overall coming up and being effective. You know what? The thing is, at the end of the season, you see different goals from different teams, where Leicester is more, we say, into the focus of Europe, where Tottenham tried to get the third or the fourth place spot. Sorry, and it's the same. Chelsea is the same. In a fight with Chelsea, doesn't really care finishing third or fourth, where they know they're going to get the Champions League, and their only goal will be the FA Cup. We're going to talk about Arsenal or West Ham, especially West Ham. We'll have to play the second leg of Europe, and we're more tuned in on that than the game today, seeing some main players being on the bench like we saw Leicester. So it's quite normal to see Tottenham dominating that game and winning that game. But I have to say that the way they play, the way they were into the game, and the way the coach was into the game was really pleased me.
This one tickles me because it's Leicester in the semi-final of the Europa Conference. As I said to you the other day, I think, when Brendan Rodgers near the start of the season was asked about it, he says, "I've never heard of the competition." We were in the Champions League not too long ago, now we're in the Europa Conference. But you know, from Spurs' point of view, there is a really tasty North London derby coming up. Now, I think before that they have Liverpool. Yeah. That's, you know, that kind of a sway in the Championship. You know, Spurs going there and playing a counter-attacking style, as we know they will, and then they have that North London derby. He seems to have settled more on, have more of a settled side now, Antonio Conte, particularly the back in the midfield. That back three's been operating together for quite a while now, and that midfield, Bentancur looks as if he's settled in. Obviously, Højbjerg giving them a bit of protection in there, so they do look. And of course, listen, when those, Shaq said, when those two players are on fire and on form, and then Lucas played today, then you're always going to give yourself a chance. So, some really, I mean, Spurs can have a big say now, not only obviously in where they finish, but what happens with the title in the next couple of weeks.
Thanks so much for watching ESPN on YouTube. And for more sports highlights and analysis, be sure to download the ESPN app. And for premium content and live streaming, subscribe to ESPN Plus.